write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through the point 3, 4 with a slope of negative 2/3. Again, we're going to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form passing through the point 3, 4, those are coordinates, with the slope negative 2/3. So let's see what that's all about. Let's see what we're going to do with this little problem here, okay? First of all, what do we call slope-intercept form? That's usually what we think of as a y equals mx plus b, all right? So let's start off in that point right there. Let's start off with y equals mx plus b. That is our goal, so to speak. And you say, well, what's a b and what's this m business, all right? The m is slope. That's our notation for slope. And then b is the intercept. Which intercept? It's the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. So that's what we're looking for here. That's what we're looking for. So this is our final goal. Now, when we get our final goal, we need to know m and we need to know b. We are, folks, we are halfway there. We've got a negative 2/3 rocking for us right there. So let's see. We have an x here. We call that first x and second x, and first x and first y. How about that? No second x going on there. First x going for us, and then we've got a y. Now, if we had 2 points, we'd have a different story, but we could find a slope that way, all right? But we've already got our slope. We've got a point. So two options. I'm going to use, first of all, this y equals mx plus b because we have the ingredients here. We have a negative 2/3 for m. We have x being 3, and we don't know what b is, but we will find it. We will find it. Find it very quickly here. And we also know our y value. So we'll put a 4 right in there for y. Now, that's very simply, and by the way, let's put a 1 underneath that 3 because we're going to multiply. We're going to multiply negative 2/3 times 3, right there it is, all right? And let's see what happens. We get 4 on the left. That obviously happens. We didn't do anything to it. Let's take the 3's out of the equation and out of the mess here because, guess what? They cancel. They cancel each other. Good old cancellation for multiplying fractions. I see a negative 2 left over plus b. All of a sudden, this problem looks very easy. Keep in mind, we're trying to find b. We're trying to find out what b is equal to. We've got a minus 2 here. Let's remove it. Let's add 2 to both sides. And we're going to pick up 6 on the left. And on the right, we're going to have b. And you know what? That's exactly what we want to know. What is our b value here? So we've got m equaling negative 2/3. Our b value equals 6. Folks, that gives us y equals negative 2/3 x plus 6. So there's a little different option this time, all right? But that's where we go. Question is it correct? Well, if you put the numbers 3 and 4 back in here, for x and y, you're going to get equals, okay? You're going to get equals. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we'll get a 4, and when we take negative 2/3 of 3, we've got, well, let's see. We put in negative 2/3 times that 3 plus 6, and over here we keep the 4, all right? We run this through. We have negative 2 plus 6, 4, and you know what? That's true. 4 is equal to 4, so it does check back through. Always nice to check those things. Let me also take us real quickly to graphing calculator. Let's check it there also, okay, guys? Let's see what we got on that. So we go to our y equals, see if anything's lurking there. Oh, we got a lot of things. Let's clear those out. Clear those out. Now we're ready to really cook here. Let's put in that negative 2/3, negative 2 divided by 3, and put an x on there. See where the x is? We're right there, up there on that point. Watch the cursor. And then we're going to add 6 according to what we've got here. All right, let's see what this looks like, what kind of graph we have. Enter it and let's graph. There we go. And there it goes. Yay! Let's put a trace on that and see what happens. If we put a trace there, what I want to know, folks, is does 3, 4, that point, x equals 3 and y equals 4, lie on that line? So with the trace, I already have my, goodness sakes, I got a 0 and a 6. That's my, guess what? That's my intercept, my y-intercept, okay? So let's test out with 3. That's what we're looking at. Put a 3 in there. And all of a sudden, the 0 disappears, and your cursor is going to move somewhere, it looks like. Let's press enter and see where it takes us. It takes us to 3, 4. That's what the point is we had. It's on the line. All's well as it checks out beautifully there, all right?
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.